Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x power 6 minus x power 3 is equals to 2, and we have to find the values of x. So let's start with the today's video. So first I'll take all the terms together. So x power 6 minus x power 3. Here is plus 2. When it comes to this side, minus 2 is equals to 0. Now x power 6, we can write it as x power 3 power 2, because according to exponent rule, that is x power m power n, x power mn. So I'm going to replace it, x power 3 power 2 minus x power 3 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now I'm substituting, so let x power 3 is equals to y. So we can write it as y square minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. So now as we can see, it's a quadratic equation. So we can use the middle term split method. So y square minus y. So we can write it as minus y plus minus 2y plus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now from the first two digit, I can take y as common. So y minus 2 is left. And from the last two digit, I take plus 1 common. So my y minus 2 is left. So our first root is y plus 1. And our second root is y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have two cases. Case 1, when y plus 1 is equals to 0. Case 2, when y minus 2 is equals to 0. So from this case, here is plus 1 goes to other side, minus 1. And from this case, y is equals to minus 2 goes to other side is plus 2. So we have two values of y. So for case 1, we already know that we substitute y in place of x cube. So we are going to replace the value again in case 1. So x cube is equals to minus 1. If I'll take power of 1 by 3 to both sides, so we eliminate this. So x is equals to minus 1 power 1 by 3. So x is equals to minus 1 in this case. And now comes to case second, when x cube is equals to 2. Again, I'll take minus 1 by 3 power to both sides. We eliminate it. So the value of x is 2 power 1 by 3. So we have two values for this equation. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.